What's going on, FMFAM? It's your boy. Y'all remember this little video right here? It hesitates to start. If y'all could see some issue real quick, I won't say exactly what it is. I do not recommend those right there. Yeah, it was a short. Y'all remember that? Well, we got an approval on the battery terminals. So, negative cable and positive terminal, we're gonna slap them on right now. We're gonna fire this thing back up and see if the issue still persists. Because remember, start with our safe words. Okay, so we're gonna take this nut off. That nut does not need to be here. We're gonna get some light. This is such an attractive light, isn't it? So attractive. Oh my God, all that yelling. Such an attractive light. I don't got that size. I don't got that size. What? Wait, hold on. They put a nut, wing nut, and then they put this nut right there. Okay. They're gonna be two different sizes. That makes no sense. And that's a whole nother size right there too. They really drilled that out. Wow. Pocket pry bar? Will it work? I guess so. So it's all shut up! Shut up! No, y'all couldn't see that, but I had that 12 down there. And brand new pliers, and I'm still using these. There we go, right there, guys.
Yeah. Damn.
What happened?
The Mustang's been here more often than the weed whacker. Oh!
I don't own a weed whacker.
Oh, whoa. Oh, shit, you know what? You're right. It's one of those cordless. You got a DeWalt?
Nah, hey, ooh. Sponsored by DeWalt. Alright, guys. So we're gonna do positive first, positive terminal first. I need to get the correct bolt. I meant the correct nut because I know y'all gonna turn me up for that. Oh, look at that over here trying to show y'all, teach y'all something. Can't even do it for myself. You gotta put that down super tight. Got the cable here.
This is mine. Oh shit.
I'm gonna wait for the lift to go up. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the impact on that. I'm just gonna use a wrench. That's why these battery cables mess up, because people they over tighten them. You can't over tighten them or it will stretch. Okay, it doesn't take much. If you over tighten it, then you stretch the terminal, and it deems the terminal no good. You stretch, and then see that there's still a gap there, but it's tight. So stop using these. These are no good. These are bad for your vehicle. People said, as long as you know how to use them, nah, let's just not use these, guys. Let's not use these. Alrighty guys, so what did we learn from this? We learned just use OEM terminals. Let's not use those terminals. I'm still gonna let it sit for a while, because it's only after you let it sit for a while that it clicks. So I want to make sure that the starter's new. I hear it spin up, you know, new starters, how they sound. Sounds like it's new, so I just want to make sure everything is good before I let this vehicle. There is now a tip jar down below, so if you feel like tipping me, go ahead, feel free to do so. There are some links in the description below if y'all want to hit up those links. Those are for some of the major tools that I use on a daily basis. So yes, thank y'all, have a good day. Watch these videos right here. If you haven't, subscribe right there. Deuce.